Hello and welcome to April 17 Mentorship. My name is Luis Leal, also known as PapaForex, and it's a pleasure to be here. Today we're going to talk about pre-Killzone and Killzone strategies. We always do, and I'll see you every Wednesday. Every Wednesday, the mentorships are 100% in English. And the bigger the community is, the more days we're going to have available for the English community. I'm available Monday through Thursday, but only Wednesday it's in English. Okay. So for the people that don't know me, I have 29 years experience in the Forex industry, and I'm here to help you, to teach you some strategies that are simple strategies that I use. I'm also a master trader at a hedge fund, and same strategies that I use there, I share with you. So today I'm going to, let me see, I'm going to share my screen. We're going to go straight to, let's see, trading view. Yeah, let's do that. Let's go to trading view. And I'm going to turn off my video. Okay, so let's start with today's entry, which is the Tokyo session. Then we're going to talk about pre-Killzone. Okay, pre-Killzone starts at 1500. This is LA time. The way you can know, or you can set up the time, if down here you click at this clock and then you select LA time right there. So then you mark your candles at 1500 to 1625. There we go. So what you need to do, once you find those candles, mark the high and the low of that. Oh, what happened here? The high and the low of that zone. I use a rectangle. You can use two horizontal lines, however you want to do it. I also use this magnet that helps me to put it in the right place. Then down here. Then after you find the candles and mark the zone, then you need to put a trend line from the open of the first candle to the close of the last candle. There we go. So why here and not here? So remember, from the open of the first candle, because this is a green candle, it means it opens here and it closes here. For a red candle, it opens on the top and it closes on the bottom. So from the open of the first candle, so the open is here, down here, to the close of the last candle. Remember, the red candles, they open on top and they close at the bottom. That's why the trend line, it's placed from here to here. Now, because this trend line is pointing up, then I prefer to buy. So what I do is I get my tool, I give a little space for the spread. Every broker has a different spread. My stop loss is going to be down here below the rectangle. And then I always look for a 1-to-2 risk reward, but at a 1-to-1, 1-to-1 right there. It says 1. So as you can see, the red part is the same size as the green part. So I decided to risk 0.5% of my balance to make 1%. So up to here, I already made 0.5% when it gets to this point. This is actually an active order that I send to the group. So normally what I do is when it gets to this area, I sell half of my trade. Okay, and then I continue to go to the 1-to-2. I'll explain to you in a second. So I forgot I have an automatic system. So what you need to do is you need to put two trades. the same entry, the same stop loss, but one has take profit 1 and the other one has take profit 2. Take profit 2 is right there. So when the price hits take profit 1, it's going to close automatically. And when that happens, you need to manually, let's say this is the stop loss, you need to manually move your stop loss to a little bit above your entry point, right there, okay? That way, if the price comes back, it makes a retracement, it will stop you out, but in profit. You already collected take profit 1, and this trade, it's active, but if it does a retracement, you already collected take profit 1. That's the right way to do it, okay? Now, this is the entry that it's active right now, and this is the Tokyo session. Now let's see the New York session. New York session, it's pre-Killzone is from 5:30 LA time to 6:30. But in order to be at well, this candle, it says right here 625. You can add, oh, why he says 630, but he selected the 625 candle. Remember, because this is the time where the candle starts to form. Since we are at the 5-minute time frame, then if it starts at 625, it's going to end up at 630. So that way, this area that we have limited here, delimited, it's from 5:30 to 6:30. Yep. Now we mark the high and the low. High and low, right there. And right here, the high of this part, I think is right there. Let me see. Yes. So then we mark the trend from start to close. There we go. So this means that I'm going to buy. And then I give a little space for the spread. This got activated. The next candle got activated. And then the 1-to-1, let me see, right there. It didn't hit my take profit 1. Remember, we placed 2 trades actually, right? So it didn't hit take profit 1. It didn't hit take profit 2. And it came down and it hit the stop loss. So we lost this trade. In London, we lost. So if I risk 0.5, let me write it down here. I decided to risk 0.5% per trade. Whatever you decide to risk, that's your criteria. Total, okay? 0.5% total. But if I do 2 trades, like in this example, it means that one trade will be 0.25% risk. Another trade, 0.25% risk, okay? That way, you're not risking more than your risk tolerance. For me, it's 0.5%, okay? So I lost the 2 trades, but at the end, I lost 0.25% here and 0.25% here. That's 0.5%, okay? So hold on. Okay. Now let's go to, this was the New York session. Now let's go to London session. London session is from pre-Killzone. It's from 11, which is 23, 11 to 12. If it's 12, and then it has to be the 23.55. There we go. Then we mark the area. We go. We find the high and the low. This is the low, and this is the high, I think. Let me see. Yes. And then we mark the trend from here to here. There we go. It means that we're going to buy. So pre-kill zone, I only give it 1 hour for the trade to activate. If it doesn't activate 1 hour after we finish the analysis, then I delete it. Let me show you how much is 1 hour. 0.55 right there. So it means it got activated on this candle, but if it didn't activate it before the close of this, or when this candle started, if the trade was not initiated, then I delete it. Okay, in this case, it was activated. So again, I give it a little space for the spread, and then stop loss, and then let's see 1-to-1 and actually 1-to-1 is right there. So if we place 2 trades, then this was 1, and the other one, it was the same, but TP2 will be all the way to here, right? So look what happened. This is the London session. So in the London session, these are the 2 trades, TP1 and TP2. So it hit TP1 right here. We made money. And then when that happened, then we moved the stop loss. We moved it to the entry point, right? A little bit above, probably here, okay? And then what happened? That the price, hold on, where is it? Where is it? Hold on. Give me a second. Okay, so it hit TP1, right? Then we move this, we already made money on this one. Now this one, what I like to do is I move the stop loss to the break even and I let it run. Okay, so this one, it came back all the way and we have to come out of the trade. We have to cancel the trade, not cancel, close the trade. Why? Because the London session, let me put this rectangle right here. The London session goes from 11 p.m. LA time to 5 minutes before New York session starts. So at 5:25 in the morning, LA time, I'm out. I'm completely out of any order that I have open. So basically, this trade right here, we collected TP1 and then we let it run and price came. We have to close it. We have to close it here, right there. So we made this little profit right here on the second trade. So we made this profit and this profit. So if this is 0.5, probably we did 0.6% profit total between the 2 trades. Okay. Now this was New York session. No, London session. This is London session. And let's see one more. There was no trade on this one. So this was yesterday, Tokyo session. Again, 1500 there. 1500 too. Well, actually, I'm not gonna do it like that because now you understand how it is. So from 1500 to 1625 right there. And then I just mark the low and the high. I think this is the high and I think this is the low. There we go. 15 to 1625. Let me make it bigger like that. And then yesterday Tokyo session was we supposed to buy, but it didn't give us an entry. You see, the price went down, So yesterday Tokyo session, I sent this entry, but then 1 hour after I sent it, we canceled it because it didn't activate. This is a good example. So 1 hour will be from 1630 to 1725. It will be to there. Oh, sorry, it's the other way. It's going up right there. So we're supposed to enter here with a stop loss here, but 1 hour will be there. So after 1 hour, the price was down here. So we canceled this entry. Okay. So that's basically the pre-kill zone strategy that I recommend you a lot. So tomorrow we're going to see the kill zone strategy. And I like to combine the two of them. When I lose in one, I take the entry on the other one. And I'm going to teach you how to do that. So for now, I want you to understand what it is, the pre-kill zone, and to take your entries with applying the risk management. That is very important. Risk management, it is the most important part of Forex. You can be the worst analyst, but if you apply your risk management correctly, you will become profitable. No doubt about it. No doubt about it. Let me turn on the video right here. Okay, so risk management. You need to always apply it. You need to calculate the proper lot size. And again, I tell you, if you do this, this is the most important part. You will become successful. There's no reason not to, okay? Just applying these simple concepts. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Practice a lot. I am sure that if you put 3 hours of your time testing, doing back tests, marking the graphic, and see what happened yesterday, what happened the day before. If you practice this for 3 hours, you're done. You are able to place your trades on the demo account. So this is a very simple strategy, but very efficient. There's no indicators. This is part of my key strategies. I call them key strategies. It means keep it stupid simple, KISS, because they are very simple. There's literally hundreds of people. I don't want to say thousands, but there's hundreds of people that are already profitable traders using this strategy. And I encourage you to ask the community, hey, are you using PapaForex gold strategy? Are you using PapaForex pre-Killzone strategy? You see there's a lot of people in social media posting their results with this strategy. So you are able to make 3 trades a day, every day, just in gold. And the pre-Killzone strategy works with a lot of pairs, not only gold. But if you learn to apply it on gold, then it will be easy for you to apply it in other pairs. And we will talk about it in other session. Okay, so thanks for being here, and I hope to see you soon on a live session every Wednesday. Take care.